Ang tamang kaalaman sa pera ay nagbubukas ng mas maraming oportunidad at sa tulong ng isang government-owned bank, nabibigyan ng karampatang kapasidad at pag-asenso ang bawat miyembro ng lipunan na siyang nagsisilbing hakbang tungo sa mas matatag at mas maliwanag na kinabukasan. Para sa maraming negosyante, bukod sa hamon ng pagbuo ng kanilang kapital para sila ay makapagsimula, malaking hamon din ang pagpapalago ng kanilang negosyo dahil sa kakulangan ng pondo at access sa tamang financial support. 1998 nang itayo ang Medical Equipment Supply Shop ng Electronic and Communications Engineer na si Guillermo. Tumagal man ng 27 years sa industriya, hindi pa rin daw biro ang magpatakbo at mag-maintain ng ganitong negosyo.
In our business, there are challenges, right? One of the biggest challenge is when we were buying a calibration. What happened was we were negotiating a contract to buy the equipment for 4.5 million or $70,000 sa Singapore. We were scammed. So, of course, what was my reaction? And, well, my son, Philip, was really, sabi ko, son, pera lang yan, kikitain natin yan. And besides, maybe there's a reason. And when I asked the Lord, kasi nothing happens to me now. Everything happens in the hands, that passes in the hands of the Lord. What's happening now is what God wants.
Sa ganitong mga pagkakataon, walang ibang choice kundi magpatuloy. Hindi lang para sa negosyo, kundi para na rin sa mga taong umaasa sa trabahong na ibibigay nila.
Of course, you need capital to grow. And one of the best institution, none other than Land Bank. It's a great blessing.
Land Bank has just launched itong aming tinatawag na Lifting MSME Lending Program. We launched this to strengthen our commitment and dedication to the MSME sector.
Sa loob ng 6 na dekada, naging kaagapay na ng maraming Pilipino mula sa sektor ng agrikultura hanggang micro, small, and medium enterprises ang major government financial institution ng bansa.
We have an outstanding portfolio around 46 billion and parang nasa mga 6,000 borrowers. This is precisely the reason why we have this program because we intend to increase our outreach to the MSMEs.
Mayroon itong loan packages, startup, step up, at level up na tutugon sa pangangailangan ng mga negosyo sa iba't ibang stages.
We also provide capacity building wherein we provide free financial literacy and then also business development training for the MSME sector.
It is truly our pleasure to be with you today. Your presence underscores the importance of what we are building together. As you take your next steps, Land Bank is proud to journey with you as you move forward with confidence and purpose.
The DTI is honored to partner with Land Bank in making this a reality so that the businesses are not just financed but they are supported and prepared for a sustainable growth.
Sa pamamagitan ng flexible financing program na ito, may patas na access na ang mga maliliit na mamumuhunan sa pagkakataong umunlad, anumang pagsubok ang kanilang pagdaanan.
Ang ating concept today is on financial health, meaning every day, rainy day, and one day. Na sana po, as MSMEs, iniisip po natin paano tayo makapag-support ng ating daily cash flows, paano tayo makapaghanda.
That is why we have to help our micro, small entrepreneurs. That is what drives me to continue, because many of these people are looking forward to a better life.
I am in the right place because God gave me land bank. If you need the money to grow, land bank can also help them as far as how to grow their business.
Sa mga farmers natin at saka sa mga maliliit na negosyante, masasabi ko lang is huwag silang mahiya, huwag silang matakot. We have 60 lending centers nationwide. We have branches nationwide. Please approach our staff sa mga land bank branches and lending centers.
By giving them the right tool in a timely manner, they will be able to access capital. They will be able to expand their business. They will be able to hire more people that would redound to nation building as well.